You know, it's the finishing touches that really make a difference, especially in the garden.
I couldn't agree more, Tim. There's nothing worse than a great looking garden, but we've got leaves laying all over the place and stained paving.
Yeah. Today we're going to show you how to make a difference, how to really spruce and finish off your garden and how to make it awesome.
First up, let's get the equipment. Great looking garden. There's a few leaves around, a bit of dirty paving. Let's put the icing on the cake.
Let's get to it. As you can see, it's the little things that make a big difference.
Sure does, Tim. This place looks great. Now, if people want to get the right landscaping advice, they need to go to
tdl.com.au, and if people want to get the right equipment,
stillshoposbournepark.com.au.